Hey it's Angeline here. Today I'd like to share with you a fun and yummy fresh card which I've made with this cute set from Unity Stamp, which is called Happiness is Homemade. I've already stamped and colored it with my Copic markers. I've cut out this cute heart as well and tied up with some trendy twine. And I'm grabbing the confetti mix from Unity as well, which is called the Aurora Borealis with some Newell crystal glaze. So here I'm grabbing a piece of pattern paper which is the same size as my card base, but just sliced it right in the middle to create some inches for my background. And next I'm grabbing my laminate mason jar, which I've popped it up with some foam adhesive tape. And next, because I want to create some dimension onto the jar, I'm grabbing the Newell crystal glaze here and just filling the entire jar with it. What I like about this glaze is that it flows out so smoothly and easily. You do not have to squeeze the bottle so hard to get it all out. And it creates a really nice glossy dimension. Next, I want to kind of create some bubbles for my drink. So I'm grabbing the confetti mix from Unity Stamp and just placing it directly onto the glaze, as it will act as an adhesive. Here is how it looks like closed up. So pretty, right? So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!